Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to Mohera Jamindar bari, which is near to the Tangail city. At first we buy a ticket and enter through the gate. When I was busy to ready my drone for fly, the guard called me and said because of the police training center just beside it, there is some security problem and you cannot use drone here, but you can make video on hand.
I'm feeling low and weak, I'm losing energy, I run away, they say what's left of me, all these toxic traits, not worth the wait.
When I came to know that I cannot fly drone over Jamindar bari, I decided to take some photos only. But somehow my mind said that I can try this on with phone. For some security problem, this video has done by mobile phone.
I feel heavy for days.
Let it go now and focus on the area. Mohera Jamindar bari is one of the few historical structures located in Mirzapur, Tangail. There are three main buildings, one museum, one park, one floating stage, and one beautiful pond in front of this area.
Heavy for days. I've been mending my way. Almost forgot what's right. Starting to change tonight.
This place governs by Bangladesh police. If you come here, there is a possibility to hear the firing sound. Bangladesh police decorate this place so nicely.
I'm feeling low.
If you are new in my channel, it is time to hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon. You can also connect with me via Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. Check my description, you will get the link. You can also comment the area which one you want to see.
Wake up and realize I wasted so much time. I picked the pieces even though it can be fixed. It can be fixed.
Just backside of the main three buildings, there is a park for children with some rides. That is in left side. Sometimes the right side used as zoo also.
Been mending my way. Almost forgot what's right. Starting to change tonight.
Beside all of this, there is a museum inside a building. They collect a number of antique pieces of rifle, pistol, machine gun, coins, cup, glass and others. There are some notes hanging on the wall about the history of this place. There are some uniform of Bangladesh police which indicate the different level of status.
I run away just to say what's left to me. Tired of toxic traits, not worth the wait. Hey, wake up and realize I wasted so much time. I picked the pieces even though it can be fixed. It can be fixed. Should have left you from the start. I'm feeling low and weak, I'm losing energy, I run away, they say what's left of me, all these toxic traits, not worth the wait. Hey.
In the inner side, there are two ponds. A folding stage holds one of them. In the DC lake of Tangail city, there is also a folding stage look like this, but that is larger than it. In the pond, there is a number of fishes in different colors.
Almost forgot was right, starting to change tonight. I'm feeling low and weak, I'm losing energy.
A large number of people come here every day for travel. Some of them come with their family, some of them with their friends, some of them with their colleagues. It is also a good picnic spot. Many people come here for picnic purpose throughout the year.
I wasted so much time. I picked the pieces even though it can't be fixed. It can't be fixed. Should have left you from the start. I feel heavy for days. I've been mending my ways.
If you are interested to visit Tangail, then it will be a better suggestion to have a look over Mohera Jamindar bari.
Was right, starting to change tonight.
By progressing of time, we are about the end of this video. So it is time to go, and I will arrive with another new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.